my scrumptious friend. Can you believe it? It is time for clue number 3 of our year-long mystery knit along. So we're making blankets this year, and each month you're going to get a new clue that you get to knit on your blanket. And then at the end of the year, you're going to have a sumptuous blanket full of memories. How amazing is that? We're recommending our enduring worsted yarn for a soft, long-wearing blanket, or our luster worsted yarn if you prefer a bit more shimmer. If this is the first time you've heard of this knit along and you need more information, check out the links in the description for all the details. Also, very crucial, make sure you head to expressionfiberarts.com and sign up for email updates, as this is where we'll be releasing the next clue. And you are never too late to join. So go ahead and hop on over and let's have some fun together. Now let's go ahead and jump into clue number 3. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start with a slip 1. Then we're gonna work a purl, a knit, and a purl. Now you're gonna slip your stitch marker, so let me pop one on here. And you're gonna knit 1. Then you're gonna repeat across your row, slip 1 with yarn in back. So go ahead and leave your yarn in the back and slip 1 from your left to your right needle, and then knit 1. And you'll repeat that all the way across. When you get down to 4 stitches left, you're gonna slip your stitch marker. Then you're gonna finish off that row with a purl 1, a knit 1, a purl 1, and a knit 1. Now for row 152, we're going to start with a slip 1, and this would normally be a purl stitch in our little edge stitch pattern. So slip it like so, and then knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Then go ahead and slip your stitch marker, and you're going to make 1. And remember, to make 1, you insert your left needle from front to back under that little bar between your stitches, and you're going to reach around and knit through the back of it. And that's how you make 1, so you've increased by a stitch. And then you'll knit 1. Then you repeat across your row, slip 1 with yarn in front. So bring your yarn to the front and slip that next stitch. And then you're going to knit the next stitch. When you've repeated that all the way across your stitches, and you get to your marker, you're going to make 1. So grab that little bar between your stitches with your left needle, and then you're going to knit into the back of it. And you've just increased a stitch. Then slip your stitch marker. Then you're going to knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and purl 1. Now we're on to row 153. So the first stitch would normally be a knit stitch in our little edge pattern. So we're going to slip it like so. So slip 1, then purl, knit, and purl. Go ahead and slip your little stitch marker, and you're going to knit 1. Then repeat across your row, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together all the way across to your marker. Then you'll slip your marker and finish off your row with a purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and knit 1. For row 154, and I've turned, of course, you're going to be turning on every row. We're going to start with a slip 1, then knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Then you're going to slip your stitch marker and work a make 1 purl. To do that, insert your left needle from front to back under this bar here between your stitches. Bring your yarn to the front, and you're going to reach all the way around to the back leg of that, and you're going to purl through that. So you've increased a stitch. Now you're going to purl all the way across to your next marker. Doop, doop, and doop. When you get over here, you're going to make 1 purl again. So insert your left needle from front to back under that bar between your stitches. Reach behind and grab the back leg of it, and go ahead and purl that. Bloop. Nice and easy. Now slip your stitch marker, and you're going to finish this row off with a knit 1, purl, knit, and purl. For row 155, you're going to go ahead and slip 1, purl 1, knit, purl, slip your stitch marker. Then you're just going to purl all the way across to your next marker. Nice and easy row. And you will of course have a lot more stitches than this. And then when you get to your next marker, you're just going to slip it and work purl 1, knit knit one, purl one, and knit one. For row 156, we're going to start with a slip one, knit, purl, knit, slip your stitch marker. Now you're going to make one. So insert your left needle from front to back under that bar between your stitches, reach around to the back and knit that back leg. So you've increased a stitch. Now you're just going to knit across to your next marker, another nice and easy row. And when you reach your next marker, you're going to make one again. So insert your needle under that bar and knit through the back leg of it. Then slip your stitch marker and you're going to work knit, purl, knit, and purl. Now we're on to row 157. So we're going to start with a slip one, then purl, knit, purl, and you're going to slip your stitch marker. Now you're going to knit 20, make one, and I'm just going to do 2 since I'm doing a smaller swatch today, but make sure you follow the pattern because you'll be knitting 20. So I'm just going to knit 2. Then you're going to make 1. So insert your left needle under the bar between your stitches and knit into the back of it. And you're going to repeat that, the knit 20, make 1, 8 times. I'm just going to repeat it once more. So I'm just knitting 2, but again, you're going to knit 20. Then you're going to make 1 again by inserting your left needle under the bar between your stitches and knitting into the back of it. Once you've repeated that across your row, you're going to finish with a knit 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then you're going to slip your stitch marker, boop, and finish off your row with a purl one, a knit one, a purl one, and a knit one. For row 158, we're going to start with a slip one, knit, purl, knit. Now you're going to slip your stitch marker and make 1. So go ahead and grab that little bar, knit into the back of it to increase a stitch, knit 1. Then you're going to work yarn over and slip 1 with the yarn in back, knit 1, and you'll repeat that across to your marker. So yarn over, slip 1 with the yarn in back, knit 1. And if you like, you can speed this up a little bit by doing the yarn over and the slip stitch in one movement. So yarn over, slip 1 with the yarn in back, knit 1. That's up to you if you want to try that. Yarn over, slip 1 with the yarn in back, knit 1. So it's more of one movement. Yarn over, slip 1 with the yarn in back, knit 1, yarn over, slip 1 with yarn in back, knit 1. Now when you do get to your stitch marker, we're going to make 1 again. So insert your needle into the little bar and knit into the back of it. Then slip your stitch marker and finish off with a knit, a purl, a knit, and a purl. Now on to row 159. Yay! Okay, we're going to start with a slip 1. Then we're going to purl 1, knit 1, and purl 1. Go ahead and slide that little stitch marker over. Then you're going to knit 2. Now here's something really fun. You're going to knit the yarn over and the slip stitch of the previous row together through the back loops. So go ahead and just grab both of those through the back loops and knit them. Pop! Then knit the next stitch. And you're going to repeat that across till you are 1 stitch before your marker. So knit those next 2 stitches together through the back loop, boop, and then knit. And continue repeating that all the way across. Knit 2 together through the back loop, knit. Knit 2 together through the back loop, knit. Nice and easy. Knit 2 together through the back loop, knit, and keep repeating all the way across your row until you're 1 stitch before your marker. Then you're just going to knit that stitch, slide your stitch marker, and finish with a purl 1, a knit 1, a purl 1, and a knit 1. We're on to row 160. This is so great. We're going to start with a slip 1, knit, purl, and knit, then slip your stitch marker, then you're going to make one, just like we've been doing. Now you're going to repeat across your row, yarn over, slip one with yarn in back, knit one, yarn over, slip one with yarn in back, knit one. And you're going to repeat that until you are one stitch before your marker. Yarn over, slip one with yarn in back, knit one. And again, just like previously, if you want to do that in one motion, yarn over, slip one with yarn in back, you can. Knit one. Yarn over, slip one with yarn in back, knit one. Just continue repeating that across. Knit one, yarn over, slip one with the yarn in back, knit one, yarn over, slip one. Oh, here we are, until you're one stitch before your marker. When you get to one stitch before your marker, you're going to yarn over, slip one with yarn in back, then you're going to make one, boop, and boop. So you've increased by one stitch, then slip your stitch marker and finish with a knit one, a purl one, a knit one, and a purl one. For row 161, we're going to start with a slip, a purl, a knit stitch, and a purl stitch. Then we're going to slip our little stitch marker and knit one. Now we're going to repeat across our row, knit the yarn over and the slip stitch of the previous row together through the back loops, and then knit one. So repeat that all the way across to your marker. Knit the next two stitches together through the back loops, knit one. Knit two together through the back loops, knit one. This might be my favorite row. It's just so exciting. Knit one, knit two together through the back loops, knit one. And just repeat that all the way across your mini stitches. Knit together through the back loops, knit one. And when you get to your marker, you just go ahead and slip it, and you finish with a purl, a knit, a purl, and a knit. Now for rows 162 through 177, you're just going to repeat rows 158 through 161 4 more times. And then for rows 178 through 180, you're just going to repeat rows 158 to 160. And then here's the border pattern for this section. For row 181, this is a very fun row. We're going to start with a slip one, a purl one, a knit one, and a purl one. Then you're going to slip your stitch marker, and here comes the fun. You're going to start with a purl one, then you're going to purl the yarn over and the slip stitch of the previous row together. So go ahead and purl those two together, and you're going to repeat that 8 times, and I'm just going to repeat it 3 times for my small swatch. So again, purl one, and then purl the yarn over and the slip stitch of the previous row together. I'm going to show you one more time. Purl one, and purl the yarn over and the slip stitch of the previous row together. So you'll repeat that 8 times. Now you're going to purl the next stitch plus the yarn over and the slip stitch of the previous row. So you'll do that 10 times. I'll show you 4 times. Basically, you're purling all those 3 stitches together. Super exciting. So purl all of those together. That's 2 times for me. Purl those 3 stitches together, and I'll show you one more time. Purl all those 3 stitches together. So you'll repeat that 10 times. Once you've done that, now you're going to repeat 9 times. Purl one, and then purl the yarn over and the slip stitch together from the previous row. So I'll just show you twice more. Purl one, purl the next 2 stitches together, purl one, and purl the next 2 stitches together. So repeat that 9 times. Then when you get to your stitch marker, when you're 1 stitch before it, you're going to purl that stitch. Go ahead and slip your stitch marker and finish with a purl one, a knit one, a purl one, and a knit one. Super beautiful. All right, sweet friend, thank you so much for joining me. Hang tight for next month. I'll be releasing clue number 4 for you for our year-long mystery knit along, and our journey will continue. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.